Here we can see the instance of objects. So, for example, we have a counter, and while this counter is less than 10, we double it, and we print the last counter, and we delete this counter. So here we have 16, but here if we do exclude counter, we don't have this. Yeah, it will talk about this previous. Not here. We can add an attribute that is to the class, since here we still talk about our complex objects. Here it's our normal complex objects, and we can add to it. Actually more attributes, and we can add them and delete them. Here we add them, and we have printed it, and here we have deleted it after having it. And here you can see after deletion, because we have deleted it. Just here we can't access it here. They say, okay, we don't have this attribute. This is how to add and subtract attributes outside of the class, for example, but from the objects. So objects of classes, they can be mutable. Like the attributes of the class in Python can be mutable. You can add attributes without adding them in the class itself. Forward.